and selling them. So this is the fundamental starting point. To answer the question, where does prosperity come from? Does it come from begging? Can you be prosperous by begging other countries? Our answer is no. You can only be prosperous if your people, your citizens, or when the government creates an atmosphere where the people produce goods and services and sell them. So we give back all their properties. They had a few properties. They had just 4,000 properties in the whole of Uganda. We gave them back. And because of that, the signal we sent out, I think now there are like 900 factories in Uganda built by these Indians, those who came back, and even others, the new ones who came, who had the information that Uganda has no discrimination. So they came. That's one of the reasons our economy is growing quite strongly. This year, the economy grew by 6%, and it will grow even faster once we solve some other problems. So therefore, the politics of ethnicity and identity in general is wrong politics. So even there, in Somalia, they must solve that problem. Whether they negotiate or whatever they do, the politics of identity must be addressed. It is not a problem only here. When you see the problems in the Middle East, like Lebanon, that's how Lebanon started. The Sunni and the Shia and the Christians, that's how Lebanon started. And South Sudan. So I think these are the only remaining big ones. The railway especially, and the market access. The rest, things are moving. Now, finally, the pseudo-ideology of the civil servants. Yes, in some cases, we can bring in the army to supplement. You remember the Operation Wealth Creation under General Saleh, 2013, when we had to use the army to distribute. Those people who don't know much about this part of the world, they didn't know that these areas have got a lot of potential. But the problem was that much of the society was outside the money economy. They were in the traditional economy, traditional non-money economy. The modern economists call it subsistence economy. Now, by 2013, 68% of the homesteads in Uganda were still outside the money economy. During the time of the British, by the time we did the census in 1969, after the British had left, only 4% of the population were in the money economy. The rest were outside. Here, life is very easy.
Amongst the grand total, Your Excellency, 5 are female, 1 from the Republic of South Africa, and 4 are Ugandans. They are due to graduate on Thursday, 27th June. All planning factors remain constant. The faculty is composed of 1 each from the East African Community Partner States, less Democratic Republic of Congo, Somalia, and indeed South Sudan.
Za Asimaka Jesse, ahawa GNTV agarkoski
Obwahati omurika Mwenge district abantu bijwire kushemerwa bwanyuma yo kwikwamu ababurizi benjiri okuruga hano mu mbarara kandi bebembirwe King of Kings Ministries International erikwebembirwa Bishop Dr. Silas Tayebwa. Obwahati batandikire kubani batambura omurika Mwenge yona no kwita abantu omuruterane oruratandika omuringo gw'amanizo berya nchakare aho muri bishozi oruterane oru rwesirwe bishozi ahabwa Yesu kandi izo berya nchakare nomuhereza Bishop Dr. Silas Tayebwa naija kuba nayeshikayo na timu yona na GNTV okongera kuburira abantu ekigambo kya Ruhanga. Katurebe obwahati ebyo nibyendo misho.
Obwo tukiriyo tuzunzya kandi turukwetoroza injiri ya mukama witu Yesu Kristo turikugizanzaza Abrahamu hona ecweka kwetorora oyihanga ryitu rya Uganda ubwahati turiyo mu district ya Kamwenje ibarkweta bishozi obargireyo abekanise ya King of Kings Church ekwatanise hamwe n'abana Fuback ikine kitongore kirugita makanisa ga mu mwema mu ihanga ryitu rya Uganda batekawe ekiterane ekibese bishozi for Jesus Crusade kandi ubwahati ekikubarayo ekiro kimwe cyonka ekerizoba kikatandika obwe byo kutangaza bya mukama Ruhanga bakatandika gukorwa abantu amaniji amwe n'ekitinisa bakatandika kureba uko mucweke cyo cya bishozi omemakuru wito yaza kurigira mu district ya Kamwenje omucweka ecya bishozi ibatire bishozi for Jesus Crusade abahereza ba mukama Ruhanga abari kuzanzaza injiri ya mukama Ruhanga witu abete ba evangelists babahereze kushika umwanya ogwe kandi babatankiye no kushabira abantu abo batandikiye no komoroka
nebacheta magaragata waho nebacheta magaragata waho konka bakunana kugambire ngwechonjo chibachine package echonjo chibachine package echonjo chotakachifunde nobanza oyukura noyawo wrapping paper noyukure boxi mwene chonjo echo otakachibonde chiriyo muri Kristo chiriyo muri Kristo Kristo niwe muhanda niwe muhanda niwe mazima niwe magara mwena ija kugambira rizoba wiwe wabanona kukachonchecho wabanona kukomagaragata wawo wanona kukomwiguru wanona kufuna assurance wamagaragawe gariche bombakago naza kuyamba omushiija wawe naza kuyamba abaana bawe naza kuhabura atwabwire omushiija ogwo n'omweso gwo muri byona atubire nabikora abokuba bibu netugambira okuyabira arinyemu abazyo niko kwarya riizooba kandi goragume Yesu akaba ari omukiza atu n'omukiza nanchakare n'omukiza Yesu akaba nakomorra abantu nandi nakibakomorra nanchakare nakibakomorra Yesu akaba nayamba abantu nandi nakibayamba nanchakare nakubayamba konke kyasize kunshemeza izuba ryawe ryakiyagara okunda amakuru marungi okunda oburungi bwa Kristo okunda amani geye kakatambulira muri iwe okagenda gye abesongozi nibagamba ngo bagenda gye
abagambi batari bamwe na bamwe abarmunka engineer Gibson ni twetise hamwe na evangelist engineer Gilbert Kwena babahereze kushika omucyange cyo cya bishozi batankiye kuzinda mukama Ruhanga hamwe no kuburira injiri ya mukama Ruhanga witu
akuyamuriyo rufumu akuyamuriyo rutwezi akuyamuriyo ruraya akuyamuriyo byone rutarike otanga kutambura gye ogenda omwihangwe ogenda nonaga omukono bakugana bareba omukazi nonaga omukono bareba kunda Kristo bibonekera ngo uba mushana gwensi otandikira kumurikira abantu omurikira abakyalo kyo wanyu omurikira abanyabusare omurikira abaana bowanyu omurikira abanya bizinesi abaryo bareba n'otambura kye bareba n'ogenda kye bareba n'ogamba kye bareba mwana wa mukama abantu bakiyagara okwakira Kristo Kristo akwindura Kristo akora osajari akora operation akutereza wabe n'ogotomera weraki akora operation.
Abantu mwena barikwenda kwakira ibyo kutangaza ugahati mgende mbisanje mu district ya Kamwenje umucyanga icyabisozi akumuhereza wa Mukamarahanga owekitinisa Dr. Bishop Silas Tayebwa hamwe n'umucyala Bishop Dr. Nicola Tayebwa ayo niza mucyanga icyabisozi ibyo district ya Kamwenje kugira ngo barete ibyo kutangaza bashabera abantu engumba zizare ebimuga bitambule ebiteta birijeyo no kugamba ebifamatu buhure kandi abasinga zingirwe bakomoroke batambule batware oburago bwabo bagarico wabo omuka barukusimya izina rya Mukamarahanga barukutendereza barukunage mkono nk'abanyamahanga. Ahabwa GNTV yagarukotya ndi Kirintoni nahabwe mjomba omu district ya Kamwenje.
Wabara mnonga Clinton kano kongera kusima ababuruzi benjera bw'omurimo gw'amani ogubari bakora omuri bishozi Kamwenje izobiri enchakare mutakaferwa Bishop Dr. Silas Tayebwa kuba nahereze ikigambo mwina bari Kamwenje nangwa n'abaryombiceka ebijehingorize twagumizamo makuru gandi hakachikwa kari kumanywa kaka kosasi akarukurwa Honorable Medad Segona kargayo kabasa kubana kateka haninga abishongore cyane nema akubuza ngo habwaci bagenda nibashenya amakaga abantu agamwe kandi nangwa nagandi bagarekango kandi obwa makagogona gariyo umwanya gubari kujya ne bishara nkwe kurwaye bakagira ngo ineko bashobora ahabwaci baresero kusosora bareka amagara gabandi kandi namakagabo garya hakateziyo kandi abandi babura no kubakwatona kace Honorable Medad Segona na yenda banema barekere naho okwenda amajuga abantu buzima katubirebe.
For the roads I agree with you, but for the buildings next to the roads
bwanyuma y'ekitongore cyo kumanyanga cyane ma okorwe kikatanga kuhenda abantu kandi hona kikagumza mu nehururu yacyo yoko binga abanyayuganda bona abagumene mbazo mbishara kandi bakashisho buhangwa bwensi obwa hatiya akakiko akakumanyanga kakosa se karjeyo kandi hona katyo kabeta okubasa korgeyo bakehozaho kandi bakagamba naha bwaki ebyo berhombe bigendo misho mu papara z'amakuru aha ma TV gatargamwe na gamwe nangwa na ma radio nabirkwereka ko barhomba henda amaju kandi bakasigaho ebintu bimwe byemerire abwenje nikijaho kandi abwenje bakorecho.
Drive immediately after Barara town, the road going to Bushenyi, continue to Rutungamo. You agree with me that all those houses are in the wetland by that definition? Along that road.
Seasonally or permanently flooded?
The word, yes.
If the place is seasonally or permanently flooded, yes. The answer would be yes.
And
Damascus with Kampala roads are flooded seasonally. So
exactly.
Chair, majority of them
are all those houses down?
Majority of them are in the wetland, especially.
Omukugaruka mu evuze bibwanyuma yokurebuka ho mukakiko akakosa se izo ari hanyuma abazyo hona bakuru okurwa mu kitongore cya nema barigire no kugira ngo abo bona bakoreka nibabasha birosa kandi hona bine certificate erikwereka kubikirizibwe kitongore cya nema okukora hemerimo yabo ngo bitabona bakuhenda mbaba batarikirizibwe kandi hona barhombe henda berajoro
ye namanyi nti yasasula sente munema nafuna ne certificate ya nema teyamenyedwa era tekinabaawo so tebasobola kumenya ngate wafuna certificate pozi certificate woba wagifuna mu buchamu tujja kuzitunulamu ezimu tusobola nozikansolinga abantu abakawebwa amabaruwa bali 315 nga bano baweebwa olupo okulabulwa basobole kuva mu ntobazi mu mirembe nga tebamenyeddwa abamu bavaawo mu mirembe.
Umunyishenjero kumanyanka Nathan Itungo kandi hono guru kucicirra abantu bakashare y'amashuma umwishenjero ko rihangiri ya Uganda rukushitama akachiko kako sase nawo mukuganira n'umunyamakuru witu hona yargaye no kugira ngo bwa hatiya nabanema mbarebuka kuba bakazere kandi hona nehuru yabo bakwijagumiza muntu bagikore yo kwenda amaju no kubinga abantu yargaye no kushaba abantu okubasa kurgo mbishara babona bari yo mbishara bataka bahenzere kandi nangwa n'ibintu byabo bitakasisikira.
Sumani nizo twanteba bitewe bahena yo kucira munonga hawayi somurije amashaka hezwe bitebisisi cyo abantu bashanga ngo araho gushanga abagira abana n'ibyana abamma bahena abantu babarera twantureba police station na petrol stations na factory zimwe factory umushara nkuko abana barajyamo abakasha bose babikiza mu bakore mu meje sumani kugira twareba abanemo kuba ari n'amategeko wacishona na kutera umuranga wo kutureba abandi gushaka ari mu yaragamo abo kuba yabakari baza kwenda imiti yawe kandi ofero abo kuba bagira ngo wahumbakari ninge cyikwisha no manya sinyagabiki bwe no manya ngo baza kuyenda bana buri mushara atara ni bashaka abayine mu yakoro mushara abumba bumyo abo kuba kirebuka abakakuru yakugira amaja kubaheze nako yero bagiye kumisha.
Honorable Medad Segona urukura kachiko kako sase hona we yargayo no kugira ngo bwa hatiya neme kibaromba kora kigwerire cya rumwe kandi yargaye no kubashaba kwa basakurikiraho okuhereza za certificate nangwa n'urusa abantu abamo okore mbishare cya kugira ngo kigwerire cya rumwe kandi babira bo kwenda bahendere kimwe abantu bona
banyigiriza bafuna mpola tubadde twagala ekyo ekibuzo bakiddemu bakizeemu nga bwowulidde nga bagamba nti bali abala muyita abagagga nabo bo babawa ebiwandiiko ebiraga nti bafuna olukusa okuva mu bitongole nga n'ennema mweri tubadde tukyayagala nnyo okumanya obanga nnema bwekuwa olukusa n'ozimba ekizimbe ekinene nga kino olwo ettaka eryo liba terikyali lya lutobazi bagamba nti nnema bweba ekukkiriza okuzimba mu petrol station okuzimba mu golofa okuzimba mu essomero okuzimba mu poliisi olwo liba terikyali lya lutobazi kubanga omulimu gwayo kukuuma ntobazi tujja kwetegereza kubanga mu shedi oba mu kawakatirwa akali kuteeka eribateekawo mulimu ekibakkiriza ezo bayita permitted activities regulated activities nga twagala okumanya nti basukka regulated activities bakkirizibwa n'okuwa olukusa okukola ebintu ebirala kubanga bwekiba nti babakkiriza kuyisaamu enguudo okukola mu recreation tugambe nga gardens okulimiramu neze bayise commercial activities ng'okuvuba n'ebifaanana bwe bityo n'amalobo nti ate olukusa olukkiriza omuntu okuzimba mu factory lwo balugjawa kubanga bo tebafuuka tteeka abalala tubalaba nga balina olukusa naye nga bazimbyemu flat ng'ebimu ku byalala byatugamba abalala tubalaba abamu akugambye nti ennyanja eyejja nebayiikiriza n'olwekyo ne basobola okuyiwa ettaka okugoba ennyanja naye ate abalala nagamba nti ennyanja bwejja newamba ettaka lyo liba lifuuse eryayo gwogiviira lwaki kubamu bagiviira ate abalala ne bagigoba naye tujja kufuna omukisa okwongera okuwuliziganya nabo batubuulire lwaki ebintu bye babikoze bwe batyo nga bwe babikoze.
Tuhe Ronald ahabwa GNTV aha Parliament.
Twakumzamu omakuru aganda bukatene n'ebyamagara orikumanya ka Dr. Pius Okong orukura kachibwa ka Health Service Commission yargayo no kugira ngo government neyenda abakozi abarukwingana na 12 kandi ekintijaho bwanyuma y'amarwariro agarumukeri ya Entebbe Yumbe hamwe na Ngwana Kayunga okutebwaho aha mutindo ogwa referral ninga amarwariro makuru nazaho no bareba batire aha mutindo ogwa referral tibine abashaho barukumara katubirebe.
Government y'ihanga rya Uganda okurabira ministry yayo eyebyamagara hona nobwa hati yanibenda kuhandikisa abakozi bakuhika 12 omubyo byamagara okugira ngo bakabasa kuyambaho government no kureta obuhereza bwo byamagara okubasa kuhika hansi abantu kandi hone iki kiyambaho bunde okutangira abantu bamwe kutunga endwara zibatetekire n'abamwe abatungira oburwire okubasa kuragurizibwa kandi bakatunga obuhereza bwo byamagara burungi munonga bateteganisibwa. Ebyona begambiro Dr. Pius Okongo kandi honogo ori mukuru w'akakika kari kumanyaka ka Health Service Commission akari kugenda mission okuhandikisa abashaho basi okwetorora ihanga rya Uganda okugira ngo bunde obuhereza bwo byamagara bukabasa kubonera kandi bushemera. Dr. Pius ebyona bigambire izari yanyuma abazi wabena aganiraho n'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abanyamakuru ahakitebe kikuru cy'abanyamahuru umuntu mu yangiri ya Uganda akiri kumanka cya Media Center kandi hona arije no kugira ngo nibija kuhandikisa abantu batari bamwe na bamwe bita abandi nibija kumana baronda ahariyeze nkarara ezababe bashabere bitu ababe batakatungire aje no kugira ngo nangwa bamwe nibije kubana bahebwe merimo kurga hankararezo abakoze rohone kitongore cyo byamagara ubu ekirurire cy'ukumanga cya COVID-19 cyabarukaho umuntu mu yangiri ya Uganda. Ayongerere no kushobora ari kugira ngo hone ikintu kijaho kuronda abashaha abandi kweyongeramo bwanyuma y'irwara kumanyankiri ya Entebbe Kayunga kandi nangwa na Yumbe okorga yoga kahinguzwa kandi gatyo gakatungurwa okuteka rengo rw'amarwaro agecyanga ningash aga regional referral hospitals ecya kugira ngo bwahatiya ikintu cyongera imirimo yakanya kandi yarebukaho.
Our plan was to recruit 1,200 health workers. Following the Minister of Public Service lifting the ban on recruitment, after the Auditor General had completed the audit process of the payroll, in February this year, we received the submissions following that letter in February from these institutions to recruit health workers. And we are likely to recruit up and above the 1,200 target. So what was our plan then for recruiting these health workers? Specifically in recruiting these health workers, we used several avenues. One, before February, we were recruiting on replacement basis. And those are health workers who reached their mandatory retirement age. Some health workers passed on, some left, and that was one method, recruitment on replacement basis. That one did not need any clearance from Ministry of Public Service. We also carried out advertisements, and so far we have carried out 5 adverts in the media. These adverts attracted applicants, some who are joining public service for the first time, others for promotional jobs. We also had recruitment based on validation lists. Entebbe Regional Referral Hospital, Kayunga and Yumbe were recently upgraded from general hospitals to regional referral hospitals. So we had to validate the staff in being moved from the districts, that's Wakiso, Kayunga and Yumbe, who were working in those general hospitals to regional referral hospitals. So during that process, we also identified staff that deserved to be promoted. So those lists were already existing, and we had to appoint staff from those lists.
Za Asimaka Jesse, ahawa GNTV, Agarkosk.
Togumzamo makuru gandi orme ya worimbo rwa Masaka Hogan Honorable Florence Namayanja erga shaba abebembezo tosha okorobera kandi bakakoratira emicwene mtwarize yebina byabo ebyo nanabwamba bwanyuma ya Honorable Mathias Mbuga okurugayo akakora mukoro mu Masaka ko kusima oguyazire ngukaba gutarukwikiriza nebiragiro nengenderwa hose kibina echa NUP katubirebe. mutsasireho egisitera basakoba neteganisibwa ebyoma bitu bitumwitwize tugumizemu nanaganda makuru okurga omwihanga erya Kenya okwekarakasa kubire nkugendo mission mpaka izo bya nyuma abazyo kandi abekarakasi nyamwinji babase kubana barumba na nestebe kikuru ekirikumanyanga parliament ihangeryo nangwa bakatandika no kosyomoro ekitebe echa Uganda ekimanyanga Uganda House omuyangeri ya Kenya ekiretire abantu nyamwinji babasa kwanu batunga obutabwa nyuma yo kurwanangana na nabe byo kwerinda omuyangeri ya Kenya kandi abantu bari kuhika mukaga bagamba ko banu bo baferire omukavu ya kakati birebe
Mwanyuma ya mkuru w'ihanga rya Kenya Owekitiinisa His Excellency William Ruto izari anyuma abazyo okurgayo kandi honatyo akashaba emyete yona omwihanga rya Kenya barhonu bekarakasa kanangwa na kwereka obutashemerwa bwabo bakuzankuto bakosya ebira bakufata ebipande kanangwa bakutahirira n'ikikiro rukuru ery'ihanga rya Kenya ningashi parliament izari anyuma abazyo hono bwa hatiya abarkwebembera abarkwekarakasa bona omwihanga rya Kenya hona bargayo no kuhandika ebihandiko rumwe na bimwe kandi hona batyo bakwebera bya amikutu ya kalmageze etari yemwe nemwe bakushaba abandi bantu kanangwa nabo bona bicyo kwataho nabariyombe karakasa omwihanga rya Kenya okugira ngo izo ari anyencha karurakana kandi hona batyo bagarka hankuto batanke kwekarakasa no kwereka butashemerera bwabo bakugira ngo emishoro omwihanga rya Kenya eriho neyongera bwashesha bwira kanangwa niteke rohonde letwa terabase kubaganyiramu kandi nigirije kubateganisa buteganisa cyonka Batakayibwa kandi hona ngwizo ari anyuma abazyo enguyanja n'ekuyanja y'abantu omwihanga rya Kenya bargireyo kandi hona batyo bayikarakasa no kutahirira ikikiro rukuru eryishengero ry'ihanga erya Kenya kandi hona ahantu ahamwe bakahosya bakatekaho nepira bakwereka butashemerwa bwabo bwiteka rubero honde hingizubwa erabende kwata ahampinda hinduka ibyo intasya umuntu omwihanga nangwa n'ibyo mishoro bakugira ngo itekere ryaheza kuhingizubwa hona nikije kuba nikishasha kandi nirenyegereza abantu bahansi ngo ahabwo kuba itekeryo rumwe bikurumera byinji abantu batano babasize kufa umwizari hanyuma abazi y'ubwanyuma yo kurgaye bakaterwa amasasi kandi hona bati abandi bakitwa bufuto bargiye bakatunga bwo kwekarakasa kubiroho ahi police eregereye kakosa amano mingi okubasa kwemereza abantu ababembe karakasa ekeregereyo kandi hona kikaretaho ebigambo byinji ombantu batari bamwe nabamwe kwetorori ensiyona ahamahanga gatari gamwe na gamwe ngagira ngo abekenya baromba kora no kurbaterera bugabe bw'abantu kandi nangwa no kubaremesa okwekarakasa kiba kugira ngo amateka gensi yona agarukwata bugabe bw'abantu nigikiriza abantu kwekarakasa kandi ubwahati yo muri Kenya garohonga rubatero izabari yanywa abazyo iteka rukuhinguza ubweru kwata ahambarira yihanga rya Kenya kandi nangwa na hantasi ya yihangeryo niryerekera cyaro umwe kw'imishoro bwahati neho netekebwaho ahabyirukanga ahaza padezi kandi nangwa naza diapers ningashi obujwaro bakujweka abana bato okugira ngo bundi batakabasa kushisha bazire babo kandi byona abantu abantu bagira ngo bigweriye cyaro umwe ngo habo kuba nibiteganisa intasi y'abantu kandi n'abantu bahansi nibije kuteganisibwa munonga baza kutecubwaho emishoro myinji abanyishingira bo kusinga y'ubwinji abari mu kibina ekiryo mbwebembezo mu ndo mwihanga rya Kenya kandi nangwa na mukuru w'ihanga rya Kenya Owekitiinisa William Ruto hakurga bargireyo kandi batyo bahinguza itekeryo abarkwingana 10 kandi babitekaho umukono kandi abarkwingana 10 mukaga abari mu bibina ebirhakanisa government mu ndo mwihanga rya Kenya bargire no kwanga itekeryo bitu aho kugira ngo bari hano binji iki kibasa ngwiteka ndi alabam kwihanje gwo mu matu gabanya Kenya esabita istira mabega karakasa kwizere nukurebuka hompora mpora mu ndembo zitari zimwe na zimwe bitu nyumwazyo kizere cyarenga habo kugira ngo itekano bo bibendi kuhinguzwa omwishengerere kuro eryihanga rya Kenya kandi hona okwekarakasa kubiro kwekarakasa abantu batahirira endembo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi nangwa na bamwe batahirira ishengero bakwenda ngo bundi itekeryo ritakabasa kuhinguzwa habo kuba ryaheza kuhinguzwa abantu nibije kubonabona ebitongore bitari umwe na bimwe kurwo mu ihanga rya Kenya nangwa rwebasima Owekitiinisa Honorable William Samuel Ruto oguno mukuru w'ihanga rya Kenya abo kugira ngo akwasire kurungi ebyo bwebembezo mu ndo mu ihanga rye kandi n'ihanga ariyebembere kurungi bitecyo tikibasize kurindaho kandi hona bati abantu baza hankuto bakwereka batashemerera bakugira ngo nangwa cyanci basika William Ruto abase kurwo mu ntebe yo bwa mukuru w'ihanga abo kubihanga cyarho narukora cyakareba kahoga obwa hata kwekarakasa kuchira kugenda misho mu ndembo zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi eryanyakazo bwe bwashesera hona aba state council bachera mu ndembo barikweyera bakuboneza kandi nangwa bakwihamwe bitafari epira nangwa ne papula byonna ebitirwa mu nkuto okugira ngo bundi kenye kagarikerebuka kurungi bit otakayibwa ngwiza rya nyencyakare hona abarkurra barkwekarakasa bargayo no kugira ngo okwekarakasa kugumizemo itwe torohonka GNTV okumantukuletera ebi byonna birabe mbigendo misho omwihanga lya Kenya kanangwa yongere kubitunga okubicenga kanangwa niwo no kuronda ekyo wakwegamo ndizasimuka gise ahabwa GNTV Agarkoski
bwanyuma yabe nyihanga kurgayo bakekarakasa kandi kikarenga no muyangeri ya Kenya elizoba omwebembezi wihangerio rukumanyanka Ruto yargyo yabugana na n'abanyamakuru bihangerio nangwa no gamba hona nihanga ahanshongezo kuchira mnonga yargyo yamanyisa kwatarije kuteko mukono ahachandikwe kibire cyihozibwe ninga biru eyabasekwa n'ikizubwa omwishenjero okugira ngo bongere umushoro aha bintu nyamwinji ebirukuzuguzubwa omwihangerio yagira kandi abanyihanga barekeraho kwekarakasa bagaruka mbuteka ngo kwa bariyo batebekanisa kurengo bakorana hanshonge zindi zona esibirenze bateganisa katubirebe
bwanyuma yo kwekarakasa kubira hizo ari anyuma abazyo omundu muyihange erya Kenya kandi hona ikarekere abantu batano bargayo no kufa bwanyuma yo kuterwa amasasi kanangwa nabamwe okufa bwanyuma yo kutunga ubutaputaro mwena bumwe ahabwo kwekarakasa honor mukuru w'ihanga rya Kenya w'ekitinisa William Ruto yargayo no kuganiraho kandi ari kugamberaho ihanga ari kugira ngo obwahati yo kwekarakasa kube kuri uko businge nangwa no kwedembe hona abantu batara bamwe na bamwe abine ebitekateko kandi nangwa nebigenderwa bibi munonga bakutahire muizo ari abazi kandi batyo batahirishe ngero rukuru eryihanga rya Kenya bo baryosya no kuryosya.
It is very painful for Kenya that a conversation this crucial was hijacked by dangerous people who have caused us the kind of loss we have incurred as a nation today. It is possible that the criminals who rained terror on innocent people and attempted to challenge our law enforcement deployments are still determined to continue with their dangerous behavior.
President Samuel Ruto ona nagira ngo bwahati ekikorwa cyo kibekiriye kikorwa kibi munonga okubasa kurgayo kandi batyo mbakosya ishengerere kuri ryanga rya Kenya ekyakugira ngo hona ekikigwerire cyarumwe kandi hona cyerekire cyarumwe kwaramwe abantu abine ebitekateko bibi nangwa nebigenderwa bibi.
Today Kenya experienced an unprecedented attack on its democracy, rule of law, and the integrity of its constitutional institutions. An otherwise legitimate expression of the fundamental rights and freedoms of assembly, demonstration, picketing, and petitioning of public authorities by a section of law-abiding citizens of the Republic of Kenya was infiltrated and hijacked by a group of organized criminals. Most regrettably, today's attack on Kenya's constitutional order has resulted in the loss of lives, also destruction of property and desecration of institutions and emblems of our sovereignty. Today's events mark a critical turning point on how we respond to grave threats to our national security.
President Ruto hone nagira ngo obwahatiya yargireyo no kubasa kuteka hikiragiro okugira ngo abo bona baroho bine bitekateko bibi omukwekarakaso korongo gendo misho babase kwatwa kandi batiyo bafubirwe obundi bareke koleta ho businge bibi omundu muyangiri ya Kenya no kwerekereza abantu.
Accordingly, I have directed all the organs of our national security to deploy measures to thwart any attempt by dangerous criminals to undermine the security and stability of our country.
yargayo no kugambera abantu nangwa n'imyeto yona baromba gendo mishono kwekarakasa ariko girango obwahati government yihanga lya Kenya yabasize futeko mu nkora buri kimwe cyone kikwetagisa okorebuka ngo ebitekateko by'abantu bine byabasa gukora kandi hona n'abantu bargahankuto batabagarko makagabo obusinje no buteka bwagarko mu ihanga lya Kenya.
I assure the nation that the government has mobilized all resources at the nation's disposal to ensure that a situation of this nature will not recur again at whatever cost. I thank our security officers who were on duty today for applying themselves to the best of their abilities in the defense of Kenya and its people.
Emnyeto omundu muyangiri ya Kenya hona yayongera no kugihiga arikugira ngo bwahatiye kiganiro kibagize roho okubasa kureta ho businje omundu muyihangeryo kironje jero misho kandi hona bakereke government ebanze kitekateko ho ahabo kuba ngo yabita kitekatekero kurunje obundi nkibasa kwija kugira oburemezi bucyaretaho ombwire bwa nyensi.
To the young people of Kenya, who I must thank for helping our country organize our democratic discourse around issues, I thank you and assure you that the conversation you have begun around pertinent issues of our nation will continue to inform our policy and governance decisions. As I promised on Sunday, this conversation will not be in vain. I will not only champion for the cause of issue-based, policy-oriented, and tribeless engagement on critical national issues, but also provide a framework for this conversation to be processed and its outcomes implemented. However, our national conversation on any subject matter must be conducted in a manner that respects and honors the foundational values upon which our nation is established, namely constitutionalism, the rule of law, and respect for institutions.
Na jarango government neja kureta ho businje kandi hona ereta ho obuteka omundu muyihangiri ya Kenya neshonga z'abanyakenya zibase koroha kugira ngo hono bwahati bargankuto batahe ngo government neja kubikora ho byona.
I assure the nation of the government's determination to fulfill its constitutional duty of protecting the people of Kenya against all forms of harm. I hereby put on notice the planners, financiers, orchestrators, and abettors of violence and anarchy that the security infrastructure established to protect our republic and its sovereignty will be deployed to secure the country and restore normalcy.
Zasimaka Jesse, ahabwa GNTV Agarkoski.
Hagan gutaba twiniro mwabazi yugo kandi bebere kwegita ahagarukosia wabantu wagaferwa ninganonda kuriba agana makuru garukugendo misho basa kuza YouTube GNTV Uganda, Facebook GNTV Nation nija kuno yitungira byo nibirukugendo misho ningo base kubanota application itu ya GNTV mobile application msumu yawe zone Play Store nija kugishangaho kandi nija kuno irebera program zona okuzukugendo misho. Evening special nirikuba ni kurataho utafiriza gamba cyane hangandi iva sakan sa menari kurunji.